Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making two of the Cricut Joy Birthday Girl cards at the same time. I have two cute little granddaughters that have birthdays next week, so I wanted to make this card for them. I'm also going to be using the Michael's Recollections card and envelopes set. These are 5x7, so I will be trimming them down to the 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch Cricut Joy cards. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm in Cricut Design Space now, and I have my Cricut Maker already selected. Next, I'm going to click on Projects, click on All Categories, click on My Favorites, and then I'm going to scroll down to the card that I'm using. It's this one right here. Then I'm going to click Make It. I'm going to come up here to the left where it says Project Copies and click on the up arrow to number 2. Click Apply, and then I'm going to arrange the cards on my mat, and then I'm going to click Continue. Okay, we're going to set our material. What I've found best for the cardstock that I'm using is the glitter cardstock setting. So we're going to click on that, and then we'll go to the machine and load our tools and material. I'm just going to grab my two cards. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to trim the card down to 5.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I have the 1/8 of an inch allowance at the top and the right, and then on the bottom and the right. Okay, that one looks good. And that one looks good. Okay, I'm just going to smooth it out. I'm going to use the Cricut Gel Tip 0.8 Glitter Pink pen. And then I'm going to load the mat. And then I'm going to press go. I'm going to unload the mat, and then we'll go ahead and pull the cards off. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean the mat. Now, if you want to do the text portion, all you'll need to do is place your card about 1/4 of an inch from the top and the right. And then we'll put it on the bottom as well. So this mat is ready when we come back to the machine. We're back in Cricut Design Space, and we're going to click on Shapes, click on Square, unlock the proportions, set the width to 5.5 and the height to 4.25, lock that back up, change the background to white, click on Text, then I'm going to change the font to DJ Flirt, click on that. And then I'm going to change the style to writing, and the text we're entering is party time in all caps. And then I'm going to just slide that up. I'm going to click on alignment, click center, and then I'm going to bring the two lines together by clicking on line space. Okay, that looks good. Let's bring this over to the base and adjust the size. So I think I want the line spacing closer together. Let's take a look at that. All right, that looks good. So let's select all, click attach, click make it. And we're going to need 2 project copies. So let's click the up arrow and apply. And then let's rotate this one and bring it to the right side of the mat. And bring this one down and rotate it as well. And bring that to the right hand corner of the mat. Now we're going to click continue. We're just writing, so I'm going to click on medium cardstock, and then we'll go to the machine and load our tools and material. I was going to use black, but I think I'm just going to keep it pink. So let's just go ahead and load our mat. I'm going to press go. I paused it and tried to unload it, but it didn't work. I freaked out just a little bit and turned off my machine. Here are the cards. So let's just pull those off. And then I'm going to unload my pen and I'm going to just color in the hearts. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do is put the inserts in, and I am using the Cricut glitter cardstock. These are also cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. So let's put those in. And that's what they look like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.